Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off the view once photo and video feature on Facebook Messenger. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Facebook Messenger on your device and click on any conversation where you want to send a photo or video. This could be an individual chat or a group conversation, whichever you prefer. Once you're inside the conversation, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll see several icons. Look for the image icon and click on it. This will open up your photo gallery, allowing you to select the media you want to share. Now go ahead and click on an image from your gallery that you'd like to send. After selecting your image, you'll notice various options appear at the bottom of your screen before you actually send it. This is where Messenger gives you control over how your photo or video will be delivered. Take a close look at the bottom area of your screen. You should see a View Once icon, which looks like a number 1 inside a circle. This feature is particularly useful when you want to send photos or videos that can only be viewed once by the recipient before they disappear. However, if you want your image to remain accessible in the chat history and be viewable multiple times, you'll need to turn this feature off. Check whether the View Once icon is highlighted or not. If it's highlighted, that means the feature is currently enabled and your photo will disappear after being viewed once. To turn it off, simply click on the icon. You'll notice it becomes unhighlighted, indicating that the View Once feature is now disabled. This means your recipient will be able to view the image multiple times and it will stay in the conversation thread permanently. Now you can go ahead and send your image and the View Once feature is turned off. Your photo will be sent as a regular image that remains in the chat history, allowing both you and your recipient to access it whenever needed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to control the View Once feature on Facebook Messenger, giving you more flexibility over how you share your photos and videos. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.